Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake easily. First, let's create the perfect base. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake this delicious crust for about 10 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. This simple step ensures a sturdy and flavorful foundation for your dessert. Next, we'll prepare the luscious cheesecake filling. Start by beating 3 24-ounce packages of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually incorporate 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then, gently mix in 4 large eggs, adding them one at a time, just until they are combined. Remember, avoid overmixing the batter. This helps prevent any cracks from forming on your beautiful cheesecake. Now it's time to bake your cheesecake to perfection. Carefully place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, creating a water bath that helps ensure even baking and prevents cracking. Bake your cheesecake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes. The center should still have a slight jiggle when you gently shake the pan, indicating it's perfectly done. Once baked, turn off the oven and let your cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour with the door ajar. This gradual cooling prevents sudden temperature changes that can cause cracks. Then, remove it and let it cool completely on a wire rack. The most crucial step for that perfect texture is chilling. Refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Slice and serve this delightful dessert chilled with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.